Hello everybody, this is Flash Records Java here, and this is episode 13, I believe. God dang it, I always forget that. Give me a second. Okay, this is episode 14, and I got some great news. So I am releasing FlashAPI version 1.0.0. Hell yeah. And it now works as an API, so it's just not a folder. So here's the thing you download. It's a jar with the Flash and stuff in it. Now we'll go through as much as I can today. So let's start. So first off, I will go through how you install it. So let's, for example, install it here. I don't believe I have it here. No. So okay, if you are in your package explorer, you can see your referenced libraries. That's where we want to get this. So right click on your project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, and then Flash API. What that will do, it will add it. Okay, and it will come up there. So now what you can do is you can go in here, you can go to base. I don't really know what this is. Let me open it and see. Yeah, it's a small thing. We just do f button dot add button, color dot light gray, color dot gray, name test. So this is how we add a button, by the way. Can toggle. Okay, and let's import color. What? Okay, change to light gray. Okay, so we want to do that, and we want in our render f button dot render. Okay, now we have a button, as we can't toggle, because what you need to do also is you need a mouse, and right now the button API has a mouse, so you can do like mouse m equals new mouse, and then import that, import from flash dot button, I believe I pressed, and then add mouse listener m, add mouse motion listener m, and now it should work. Yeah, so that's a button which is toggleable. You can change that to false, and it won't be, it will be like a hover when you hover over it. So that's the simple thing, and we don't have it here, so it's now working as an API or kind of thing, which is the goal, kind of. Okay, so let's turn that down and let's go into Flash API. First off, I can go through here. So this is the first main class I made, which is a comment which I want to read. It just says like my YouTube channel, donate and try my game, and my website, and then the version, and then a get version method. I don't know. I just put something in here. Anyway, so move on to the button, which is the first thing. And oh, this is here. Shouldn't be. Ignore that. I won't take it away. It explains actually a lot about a button API. So okay, I might remove that actually. It's so false. Anyway, so here we got f button, which has a lot of different methods. I don't know if we go into here. here, can we see like what this is made of, or what the methods in here are? Yeah, I can kind of do it. So I guess I don't need to go get too like explaining too much, but you can attach source. Okay, no, you can't because you don't have the source. I can. Wonder if I go in here. Oops, source flash button. It sure does. I don't care. Anyway, so anyway, that's where we find the button things, and they should be pretty much self-explained. Like if we go into okay, that's wrong. If we go into here and go to test, which is a little thing, you get this. You can do, like, for example, F button dot, and then you can get everything. As many of you surely already knows, but why not say it? So I will just go through what kind of things you can do with it. So you can add buttons, as probably a lot of people that watch my channel before knows. Button list is nothing you need to worry about. F function, I don't really know. Yeah, this is for if you want to check your mouse position like in an area instead of using as a button, but you can just add a button and set it to invisible. I'm not using that so much, but I want to keep it. F grid generates, you can generate a grid or a random grid, which is a bunch of random colors that flickers thingy. Mouse, yeah, nothing to worry about. One thing you need to do is that, like, your main class needs to extend canvas, and then you need to do like mouse m equals new mouse, and then add mouse motion listener and add mouse listener, I believe, put in m. So that's one manual thing you need to do. But if you have a game, it's probably you'll probably have that already. Anyway, flash file, it's for file saving and load. Okay, the save buildings you don't need to care about because that's actually shouldn't be there, but it is. So I will update this. So okay, I will delete that. Do like that, do like that. Clean this shit up. I don't really know how updated this is to. Okay, it's kind of updated. It's like you do file.new line and format new line in whatever file you're working in. So it's kind of, you kind of gotta figure it out. I can remove that as well. Graphics. Okay, this is not done anything here yet, so just stay away from it. Stay away. Don't use it. Don't use it. It's a bit messed up. But the animation is actually workable, as you saw if we open this. This is actually animation, as I had that in my last episode, so I won't get too in depth. But this is the code doing that, and then guide.render and guide.update. So basically what this does, and I know one thing, this is very important. It says FPS here, but it's actually the amount of time between frames between it switching. So it's not frames per second, it's like seconds between frames rather. And then there's the scale kinda and the coordinates of your animation, and then you add frames to it. Doing this, okay, GUI is actually working. Let me do that. So I don't really know how you did this. Wait, I should be able to show it from our GUI dot add GUI is probably like this. 50, 50, 100, 100, color dot blue, test GUI, and then we probably need to do mouse equals new mouse, and import that from, yeah, it did it right, and then add mouse listener, add mouse motion listener, awesome. And then we need to do what do we need to do? We need to do fgui dot render, sweet, and what do we need to update it? Might need to fgui dot, oh yeah, we need to. It was a long time I did that, but it's a video. Okay, yeah, so you see this, you can drag it around. It's a work in progress GUI, but basic thing for it is written. As you can see, you can move it around and stuff. So anyway, that's a GUI. You can add the images to it also. Okay, images, yeah, fimage. You can do fimage dot, okay, maybe not there, fimage dot load buffered image or load image. So those are return different images. So you like do image equals fimage dot load image, and then the name, like that, and you would have an image. But that will be a capital I on the first image there. Awesome. We have the net, which is not working at all. I believe it's like, I should delete that. I will do, I believe. Yes, I will. Object is, it's just adding an object with like shake. So you can, it's like if you want to add a square that you can move around, set coordinates to, set different colors, set different visibility. So add rect is the method. Remove, yeah, it's not much, it's not very complicated. So that's probably everything for FlashAPI. So if you have any, like if you want to get something into it, just send me the idea and I will try to implement it to the API so you can use it, because that's like the purpose with this, is because if I need something I will add it to this so I can use it everywhere, and I want to make that possible for you. So if you want something but you don't really know how to do it by yourself, then you can like send a question or a message and I will try to add it to the API. So yeah, nice. Then I have some updates. So quick update on my game. The version that was downloadable from my website. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze soon. Probably. Yeah, I'm gonna just export this quickly. Oh yeah, by the way, you don't get that game with it. I think it's configured that way. Resource. Don't want to get resources. Yeah, you get everything except that in the thingy. Yes, wanna fix that. Okay, cool. Now we can switch workspace to game of Flash development. I don't know why these are. You saw those? Those are like from TeamViewer or something. I don't know, really. And yeah, awesome. I bought a Raspberry Pi, which I'm hosting the server. So now you can't see my Windows bar, but I don't have the server open. for logging in. So as you will see, when I try to log in, it will work perfectly. I also have the game server on it, so some new stuff. Some new stuffs to it is what is it? So host the login server, that's already made. I will delete that text. Back. Anyway, multiplayer. So yeah, god dang it, I need to restart that server. Give me a second. Now you will also see it be live updated. I can restart both because there are a lot of spam in them. So exit C login server. So like that. Now the login server is up, and then we can do /exit. The server shuts down and clear. Why is it showing me one? I'm getting annoyed. Server and open, and okay, there it updated when I open it again. So okay, you see it updated. I didn't do anything on my computer, but test server is just for me testing on my own computer. It's my local IP and everything. So anyway, now we can join. Okay, I wasn't knowing that I was on. Now I'm into the server, and if I say hey, which is hello in Sweden, it sends me back, so I'm in the server. That's how we know that. So one thing that's new is if I open my server on my computer, see it's open on a different port. If I stand down, or I don't know. Okay, let's stand up here with where the chest is. Let's stand right there, and then exit the game. By the way, you get now back to the menu when you exit, like here, but if you exit now, it would close the game down. So anyway, if I go and join my test server, you see I'm standing down here, and if I'm walking around, I can stand on top of the tree, and then log on to the official server. I'm standing here. So what that is, it's not saving anymore on my computer. It's saving actually like this. Actually, I can show ya. So it creates a folder like the server and the port, world, players. So YouTube. Okay, there's other thing I should say. It's nothing with the game. Anyway, so I've the only one who's been online to my test server. But rather, okay, I gotta check my Raspberry Pi here, because I should see them, because my friend was online on it, and we should have proof server 1331 world players flash. Why don't we have him? Oh yeah, his game messed up a bit because the old version 0.3.5, which it says that it didn't save, so it was like when you exit, you couldn't exit it. So sorry for anyone who had that trouble. I know, I'm aware of it. So yes, one bug before I will release this is if you have logged in multiplayer, then the game is set to be multiplayer. So if I log on here, you see my things start off, and if I go down here and then exit and go into single player, it doesn't save because it's trying to send my save things to a server, but I'm not on a server, so yeah. Some of this spells doesn't work. Anyway, one thing, as you can see clearly, is this marker is now snapping to the blocks and actually getting the right coordinates of it. So it's a work in progress for selecting chests and stuff, and you can actually lock this. So if you press the mouse button or scroll button like once, it will lock, and it's buggy, as you can see. But if I lock it there, you see it moves up a bit, or like opposite direction of where I'm going, and that's because this map, each pixel is 4 times bigger than each pixel on these guys, so it looks that way. It's actually this is actually perfect. It's actually the map who like snaps a bit, so it's not his fault. It's just the way it feels. It feels like it. So I can go here, select the chest, and move it around with my blue marker, which probably will not be a blue marker anymore later on. Anyway, this was everything for me. It's 20 minutes of just recording, and some weekend I'm thinking about live streaming. I just don't know when, but leave a comment and like if you think live streaming is a good idea. And I will see you guys in the next video. Next, I forgot. Okay, in the next. Oh yeah, this animation bug, sorry, I will fix that as well. And then after that version, I think I will start doing PvP or killing mobs. I will remove this and I will finish up the map a bit, and I will probably don't have the mobs because they don't really have a good spawning method yet. So I'm working on that also to make animals so you can hunt them and stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on. So thank you guys for watching, and sorry if it's been a bit random theme for each video. It's just that I'm sometimes feeling to record this and sometimes feeling to other stuff. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.